In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shape light of a scene in Lightroom. We'll start by getting your image into Lightroom. Open the app and import the photo you want to work with. The simplest path is the File menu, then Import. Select your image, ideally a RAW file for maximum flexibility, and click Import. Once it loads into your catalog, look to the top right of the interface and switch into the Develop workspace. This is where all of the powerful editing tools live, including the masking controls we'll use to sculpt light. Click the masking icon on the right panel. Masks let you target adjustments to specific areas without affecting the whole frame. Choose Linear Gradient. This tool creates a smooth transition from fully adjusted to untouched, which is perfect for simulating light fall off. Now, drag on your photo in the direction you want the light to travel. Click and pull from the edge toward the center of your subject. You'll see three parallel lines. The middle line is the strongest part of the adjustment, and the outer lines mark the start and end of the feathered transition. Rotate the gradient by hovering near the pin until the rotate cursor appears, then adjust the angle so it matches the natural direction of light in the scene. You can move the whole gradient by grabbing the center line and change the softness by spreading the lines farther apart or closer together. Aim for a gentle fall off so it feels like light, not a hard spotlight. With the gradient in place, it's time to shape the mood. Start with exposure to brighten or darken that region. Subtle moves, often between plus or minus a half stop, go a long way. Use contrast to add punch and guide the eye, and refine with highlights to control the brightest parts so they don't clip. If the area is getting too flat, a small bump in whites can add sparkle, while pulling down highlights protects detail. Likewise, if shadows feel too heavy within the gradient, lift shadows slightly rather than over-raising exposure. The goal is to lead attention without revealing the edit. As you adjust, watch the edges of the gradient for banding or halos. If you see any, increase the feather by widening the gap between the lines or reduce the strength of the sliders. Keep checking the overall frame to ensure the shape light complements the scene and doesn't overpower it. When it looks natural and cohesive, you've effectively sculpted the light using a single, well-placed linear gradient. That's all there is to it. Import, develop, mask, gradient, and fine-tune exposure, contrast, and highlights to taste.